Hey there, it's Boots On here. I'm going to show you how to do the lint filter today on this Hoover washing machine. It's a Hoover HNL2126, but this method will be the same for a lot of washing machines. So down in the bottom there should be a fascia panel, a piece of plastic here, and what I would do if that was here is I'd get a screwdriver or a butter knife from the kitchen and just tuck it in on top and pop it down. That'll open it, and then what we're looking for is this thing over here. This is the filter plug. And the pump is in behind that, so give that a twist. Oh, there's something in there, you know. It's gonna struggle to open this. So this one's a bit stiff. So there's something blocking it, I would say, which is interesting because it means I'm gonna have to figure out how to get it out of there. Let's have a look underneath the machine. Right, with the machine up on its side, we can see there's the pump on the back there. This machine isn't plugged in. There's the filter body, and there'll be something caught in there that's blocking it. So maybe, yeah, there's actually something in that pipe as well. Could be money, I hope. Doesn't feel like there's any water in there though, so that's something. It could be that we've dislodged it by putting it on its side, so I'm going to try it again. No such luck. Right, the next step then is to start dismantling it. So with a screwdriver, there's two screws holding this one on. That's it, two screws. Then from behind we can pull this out and down. There it is. And I think we should be able to get in with 3 screws on the back there. Then this should come apart. There it is. So we can see there's the impeller blade. That's the pump itself. We don't need to worry about that. Let's just tuck it out of the way there. And then in here, oh dear, this isn't going to help much. Right, so that's this white thing is what we're trying to turn around, and there's something stuck in there. So I imagine there's something stuck in this pipe here going into here, like a hair clip typically, or something like that. So just tap that, and there's dust coming out through here. So you might be dislodging it a bit there. You can hear that rattling. There's definitely something in there. So you could try tapping it in the machine, but you're going to have better luck doing it like this because you've got a bit of flexibility there. So taking this hose off isn't going to do anything because it just sees to there. That's the out, and then taking this one off. We can do that actually. I wonder if I could do it by hand. I might need a pliers. No, we can do it by hand. This one. So what's in there? Oh, this doesn't. This is actually bits of the spider of the machine. That's it's not money at all. That means this machine's in an awful bad way. So yeah, there's little bits coming out there. Okay. I'm keen to see what's in here, so I think I'm going to take it. Let's just have a look under here. Nope, not that one. Strangely, actually, this one's cracked, so let's just continue on out. Let's see. Is there something stuck in there? I don't know if there is. There must be something stuck in there. I can feel it's something stuck in there. I don't know what's going on. This is a bloody weird one, this. It's got big pliers on it. Pliers there. Wow, don't know what that, I don't know if this is, I don't know what's going on there. There's nothing blocking that. Just, it's like it's been over tightened or something. Actually, it's all broken. What could that be? Never seen one like this. Okay, so it only goes in one way and then locks. So you unlock it and pull. Very strange. Okay, well, this one's gonna need to be replaced anyways. I didn't do that, but that was like that already. So you twist and pull. That's good to know. So even though that's taken longer to get to than usual, so you do that. Twist and pull. Okay. Okay. Let's put it back together again. So then this went on here, that hose. Let's do it with the pliers, it'll be easier on my hands. And this one went on here. Like that, I think. 3 screws. Okay, put that back up to the front, in there, and then 2 screws in here. And that's it, screwed back together again. Bit of a weird one, that. Okay. I think actually I'll just post this video as the problem that I have, and I'll make another video of how to do it properly. So, any questions or comments, leave them below. I'm not sure how that got broken. It's a bit weird. Thanks for watching. See you later.